morning, York. I am standing outside of the Green and White Gym on November 11th of 2019, where we're about to hold our Veterans Day Assembly. Let's take a look.
I'm Erin DeLuga, principal at York High School.
What does Veterans Day mean to you?
Veterans Day, this particular assembly and event is one of my absolute favorite that we have at York. I truly am humbled and honored by the veterans that come to be with our students during this day, but also veterans across the country. I come from a family that has many who have served in the military, and so the dedication, the sacrifice, and the humility of my family members that have been through the military and all of the military men and women who are here today is outstanding. And I'm just very grateful for my freedom based on their willingness to serve.
One last thing, what do you have to say to anybody from York who has served or wants to serve?
I say it's the most noble profession, and to do it with grace and dignity, and that we are so proud of you.
My name is Sergeant Bonda from the United States Marine Corps.
What does Veterans Day mean to you?
Veterans Day to me means honoring those that came before us, who either gave the ultimate sacrifice or just put their time in so that we can have the freedoms that we have here today.
And then what brought you here to York? Are you a former student? Or?
I'm actually a recruiter in the area, and I was invited by your staff to come just be a part of the ceremony today. I'm honored to be here.